Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, the sound speaker, on a SAMSUNG Galaxy A17 5G phone. Certainly the most important thing is that the phone is turned off. We never clean a phone while it is turned on. For cleaning, we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, otherwise you will scratch your phone. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol to soften the dirt, and then it will evaporate without leaving any trace. You can buy this brush and this diffuser in a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have that option, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch the entire frame of your phone. So I already have my phone turned off. If you haven't, you need to turn yours off. We dampen the brush as much as possible with alcohol so that it is very wet. If you don't have a diffuser, you just pour a little alcohol into a container and dip the brush in it. We take the phone in our hand. Here we have the buzzer opening, and we clean this opening 10 to 15 times in one direction with a sweeping motion. And then in the other direction exactly the same. Then towards the screen a few times, 5 to 10 times, and towards the frame the same, 5 to 10 times. And it is really good practice to repeat this specific motion 2 or 3 times in each direction, just to make absolutely sure that the buzzer opening is thoroughly and perfectly cleaned out. Don't worry if the alcohol drips somewhere. It will evaporate within 10 to 15 minutes anyway, so it doesn't matter at all whether there is a lot or a little of it. This is not water, this is alcohol, so it will evaporate completely into the air, leaving none of it on the phone's surface at all. That is why it must be isopropanol and it must be 100% pure. After the operation, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, as I mentioned earlier, and after that time, you can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please leave a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.